right. Hi, hello, how's it going? Hope you're well. I got some parts in today. One thing that I noticed on the last trip that we were on with Jeremy, although we didn't do too much four-wheeling, a little bit at the end, there's a few pretty muddy sections of the road we were on, and I noticed that where I've got my lights mounted currently is just not going to work. They're just too low. So I bought some things. So yes, I purchased a set of cheap LEDs from Amazon. And I don't know how well they're going to do. I've got a set of rigids on my truck right now underneath. I might end up moving those up top and these ones to the bottom, but I'm going to see how they fare in the weather with waterproofing and all that jazz first. All in all, build quality looks fairly decent. They got a good weight to them. Obviously, they're made out of metal. They've got the cooling fans on the back, which is good. I don't know how hot they will get, but we will find out. Pretty basic wiring, right? It's actually pretty cheap, not very thick gauge, so I don't imagine these are going to have a ton of power. And then I've got my brackets for mounting them to my fender or hood area. So these are actually pretty decent. I really like the design of these. I did make a video not too long ago of making my own. They just didn't turn out as well as I wanted them to. I will still post that video. If you want to try and make them, I just didn't use a thick enough gauge of steel. So, yeah, we're going to try and put those on the truck right now. Booyah, new lights. This is really going to help. I'm pretty sure it's really going to help. Because if you look down here, the other two that I have are just right here and right here. And they're great. But the second you go into any sort of mud up to your bumper, they're completely useless. So, pretty stoked. Thanks for tuning into this video, guys. I really appreciate it. I don't really have anything else for you guys today. Tomorrow we're heading out for another trip through the Badlands with Alberta Overland, or Overland Alberta, and yeah, we'll be doing a collab video with them, so that'll be pretty cool. And then Sunday we're gonna go into Lacombe and we're gonna meet up with Mission Overland, which I am really excited about because I like their trailers a lot. They're very cool. They're very tactical looking. And yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, I wish you all the best. I will talk to you next time. Have a good day.